If you are wondering if we have macro mode available on Realme GT 7T, then the answer is unfortunately no. If we open the camera, we won't be able to find a dedicated macro mode or macro photo mode or something like that. There is nothing really like that. So if you want to take macro photos, in this case, what you need to do is in the photo mode, for example, you need to keep the distance between the subject and the camera, and then you need to use the zoom. This is I believe, the best way to capture macro photos. Usually, in my case, I use like up to 4x zoom. Of course, we can try to keep the camera closer to the subject, but as you can see, the focus is now gone, so we cannot really get a sharp enough photo in this case. So this is why it is crucial to keep the distance. And if you use just enough zoom, you should be able to take a pretty decent up-close photo. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.